Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to translate language in Python. So let's jump in. So in order to translate the language, we are gonna be using the Python library called googletrans. So first let's install that. So as you can see, I'm using the terminal of VS Code. So if you're on Windows, you can use the CMD, and if you're on Mac or Linux, you can use the terminal. So now if you install the googletrans Python module by just saying pip install googletrans, just like that, then you're gonna get an error. So in that case, we are going to use the alpha version of googletrans. So I'm going to say equal 3.1.0 and then you can hit enter and install the alpha version of googletrans. So I'm not going to do that because I've already got it installed on my system. So I'm just going to close terminal and import translator from googletrans. So I'm going to say from googletrans import translator. So we are just importing translator from googletrans, and next we are going to assign a variable and set it to translator, and then we are going to be printing t.translate. So this is the function from googletrans, and as you can see, we have got the parameter text. So I'm going to provide it as hola, so that is hello in English, and then you can provide in the src, so that is the source. So if you don't know what is the source, then you can just leave the source and run the code, because then it is gonna auto detect that. So let's run this code and let's see the output of this. So as you can see, we got the output. So first we have got src source, then the destination, and then the translator text, which is hello, and the pronunciation hello, and at the last we have got extra data. So as you can see, we have got many other things only than the translator text. So now I just want the translator text. So I'm just gonna do is remove this print statement, and instead of that I'm gonna assign this as a variable, and then I'm gonna be printing e.text. And let's run this code and we should only get the translator text. So as you can see, we got hello, so this is the translator text. So let me just use f strings right here. So I'm gonna say translator text colon, and I'm gonna pack e.text in curly braces, and let's run this code again. So as you can see, we got translator text colon hello. So now this is how you can translate language in Python. So hope you enjoyed this video and learned something, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button, smash subscribe, and also click on the bell icon to get all my notifications first whenever I post a video. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.